Hi, if you want to enable always-on display during workouts on your Amazfit T-Rex free, then you need to just swipe left from your watch face to open app list first, and here choose workout. After that, just scroll down in this list to find workout setting, select it, and if you scroll a bit down, you will see always-on display during workout. So mine is turned off right now because the switcher is gray, and to turn it on you can either select it with the help of these buttons, up or down buttons, so it will light up blue, and then tap this button select to turn it on, and now you'll see this pop-up warning that after this feature is enabled, the screen will not turn off during an ongoing workout, and screen brightness will be intelligently adjusted to continuously display real-time workout data. And this significantly affects the watch's battery life. So, if you still want to enable it, just press this top select button, and now it's on. Or you can disable it by tapping on the switcher, and enable by tapping on the switcher as well. So that's all for today. If this video is helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.